guys. So welcome to Crypto Space. We are here with the next update. Starting with this short video, BTC making all-time high recently. You can see. So this is going to be a BTC update for you all to see, and you know, just as per me, what I see happening in the next couple of days, or you can say this week, the upcoming week. So right now we have the chart set. This is the chart we have been using. You will be like all aware who are coming here from my Telegram channel, seeing the video. Unluckily, I'm the guy who made YouTube later than Telegram, but still we are here. We are here to make an impact, and I hope we surely will be doing it. So starting with the update, we saw BTC going for an all-time high on 10th of November here. And then we have retraced back. We opened a shortcut somewhere here because we wanted it to retrace back from this point and then break out. But it did not, and it gave this big green of a dildo. And now we have retraced back to this point. You see, these are the fib levels that have been marked that needed to be retested. As per my trading rules, I always find price retesting the prices that has went through. Like this level was never retested. This was a big move, and this zone never got retested again. And I was looking for the retest of this zone. We had a retest first here, and the price pumped up almost 3 to 4k from this zone to simply to 59. And it was a good zone to buy and sell here for a trade. We have been updating since. And then the next zone was this retest level. This was here as working as a resistance after always a high resistance and support, you can say currently, and this was the zone marked where we wanted to see a pump. Luckily it was hit, but we don't have a pump yet, which gets us to the next point of what might happen next. We are seeing no pump right now, like it does that zone. You can say it made a low of 53,600, 53,500 in some exchanges, and it is still stuck on 55. Just a $1,500 of pump from that zone, and it is not good enough. We can see red soon. Like, don't get confused with the chart. We can see red soon. The black candles are the red ones. Red simply means we can see a retracement where we will have huge buy-ins. We need to liquidate more futures traders, and then possibly we can count upon this. This stop loss should not be hit. I have this stop loss in place because this will simply invalidate my trade. I'm not using this stop loss on my trades currently. Like, I am using this one, but this one I will be closing if we see a weekly close below this zone. I will be cutting out my losses on many of the positions. I don't have many positions open on futures, but on spot I will be cutting out my losses where I don't see a momentum, and I will try to grab them when I feel there is a breakout upcoming. Right now what I'm counting on is this zone to be repeated here before we move up. These are the lines, important zones that we needed to retest for the next level, and we have been retesting this now. First here, then now here. Now for a positive move ahead, what I'm looking at, we need a daily closing at least over this zone, 56,500, and the weekly close around this 57,500, so that we can continue the move up. Right now you cannot surely say what will happen next. Like, I'm not going to be giving you hopium of there will be a 15k candle, huge candle coming in. I'm not a whale. I'm not buying in with that much of money that I can push the price up, be it for a art, let alone BTC. But then anything can happen. What you have to do is play by the zones. That is what I mostly do. Play by the zones. Mark the zones on your chart and let them happen. Don't rush things too. We had this pump, we got here to the resistance, we booked profit, and we opened a short, added short here, started short here, added to short here, and we booked profit here. I booked profit completely on my short. I will be opening a short again if we see the closing here that I just talked about. Cutting out losses on spot trades. Not exactly selling all my holdbacks. I'm not going to do it. I'm willing to keep them even if bear market hits, which I don't see happening right now. Not right now. This was not a blow off top. This was not the top at all. Top is something different. You saw what happened with Shiv, what has been happening with Sand, what has happened with LRC. Things happen like that. They will pump overnight, and then during a while they cool off, you will be thinking like, let's invest more, invest more, invest more, and that's where the bag holders are born. I'm not willing to be one right now. Not right now, not in this phase. But if so, bear market hits, because we are not going to simply say this market is going to be different, and we will keep pumping up. There is going to be a time where price is going to retrace back. You just have to understand which zone are you looking for the price retracement. Right now, I'm looking at these zones, the stop loss level and this level that I have marked. If I see a closing here, weekly closing somewhere here, I will be cutting out my losses and I will try to open positions if I find strength here. Otherwise, we move here. It's all about if. Being honest, it's all about if we see a closing here, then we will be seeing here. I'm not simply, calling out that we will be going straight here. When I opened a position here, I counted until here. We have the proofs available. Unluckily, I have opened the YouTube right now, so I can't completely go and ahead and tell you like go watch that video. But you can, join us with this link or in the bio and see for yourself. Everything is marked. These zones were marked, prior to when it hit. Like somewhere we were here, then I marked these zones. Somewhere around, 13th or 14th of November, I guess. Here. These zones were marked and we have hit it. This gave a good pump and this did not. So I am simply counting on a closing above this level for the next leg up to upwards direction, or opening any trades, future trade or long trades, or scalp trades for quick profits with $1,000. I'm not doing it right now. I will be doing it later after I have a confirmation. I'm not a breakout trader. I simply look out for breakouts, retest, and confirmation. At least two has to be there. You can't just simply trade one. So I hope you're understanding my point. I hope you will be looking out at these zones. The chart is constantly being shared for you. I hope to see you here. For any questions, you can surely hop in my DMs and ask. Goodbye. See you soon. This was a quick video. Make sure you drop your comments so that I can improve, be it my verbal skills, be it displaying the screen, or anything that you want me to do. I'm open to improving. I'm open to learning as long as you are learning with me. Thank you so much. Welcome to Crypto Space. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We need it right now. All the support that we can get. We'll be posting next weekly video soon. And for weekly closing, look out for this zone. If we don't have a weekly closing somewhere here, we can again retest this level. So stay safe. Don't overtrade. Don't revenge trade. Be wise with your money. Thank you. Goodbye. See you soon. Take care. Good night. Good morning. Wherever you are.